What is going on, guys? We just got done with a nice steam session. We're feeling good, we're feeling relaxed, we're getting recovered. But today I have a special treat for you guys. I'm going to walk you guys through how I was able to create the life of my dreams and see it in my mind before it actually came into reality. And I'll take you through the step-by-step guide on how I did it for myself, so you guys can literally just copy me and do it for yourself. So if you're living in a shitty life and you want to get out of it and you have no idea how, this video is for you. So first off, you need to find out what it is exactly that you want. And that takes solitude, that takes asking yourself what you truly desire and what you would actually enjoy most. Now, when I say this, I say it because some people, they go after things and they try to get rich and they try to get this car just because someone else has it. And you'll never ever get it for yourself if that's the case for you. So you need to find out what you truly want and not what someone else's dreams are. So that way you're not chasing someone else's dream life and you're chasing your own dream life. So when I tell you to find out what you want, I need like an exact type of thing that's tangible, you can touch it, you can see it, and I need you to grab a pen and paper so that way you can actually write this down for yourself. And after finding out exactly what you want, you need to find out exactly when you want to achieve this said thing, acquire that much money, be at that said location. Write down the exact date. So I mean 6 months from now, that's April 10th. So write down the exact date with the month and the day that you actually want to achieve whatever it is you actually want to achieve for yourself. So now you have what you want and when you want it. Now you need to find out why you actually want this dream, goal, whatever it is in the first place. So it can't be some shallow reason just because like I want to get rich because I like money. Like that's way too shallow. Whenever adversities or obstacles come up in your life, that they will instantly stop you because your why isn't big enough. So to find your why, you need to ask yourself deep down inside, like what drives you, what wakes you up every single day, and make sure that aligns with the goal that you want. So after finding out what you want, when you want it, and why you want it, you got to figure out how you're going to get there. Now, the crazy thing is this is pretty easy to figure out because the trouble that most people have is finding out what they want in the first place. Because in reality, we can have anything that we want, but the thing that stops us from living our dream lives is because we never know what our dream life is in the first place. And after you kind of figure out what it is, then you'll easily figure out how to get it. It's just a matter of finding out what you want in the first place. So yeah, you figured out what you want, when you want it, why you want it, and then you got to figure out how. And then where is this goal going to be accomplished at? In the United States, Thailand, Dubai? Like, where do you actually want to go to achieve this goal and to live out your dream life? And that can be anywhere you want. It doesn't have to be Thailand. That's where I am. That's what I saw in my backyard in my parents' house in the USA. I saw myself living in an apartment that I rented independently with my girlfriend. I saw all that before it ever came into fruition. So it's just a matter of seeing it, believing it, taking action, and then it'll all be conceived and you'll be able to create your dream life. It's just as simple as that. And once you're actually able to put this to work, there is a final few tips that I need to add so that way you can actually implement this into your own life and make this work for yourself. So you need to get a pad of notepads, business cards, just very small pieces of paper, and put little reminders of yourself on what your goal actually is. Everything that you wrote down on this big piece of paper, put little reminders on 3 to 4 different small cards and place these 3 to 4 small cards in places that you go most often. So for myself, I put them in the bedroom, right next to my computer, in the bathroom, and in my wallet so I could see it as much as possible. And this is called the tap, tap, tap method. So the more you're able to see it and focus and obsess over creating the life of your dreams, the more likely you are to attain it. And of course, there will be obstacles, there will be adversities, but like we figured out earlier, we know what your deeper why is. So anything that comes up that tries to stop you and hold you back, it won't be able to, because your why is so big that no matter what happens, you'll be able to surpass it and keep moving forward towards the dream destination that you have for yourself. And then yeah, after you place these 3 to 4 things in certain places where you go each and every day, most often times during the day, last but not least, you need to tell no one what your goal is, what your dream is, until it actually comes into fruition. Because the reality is, the more people you tell, the more you spread your belief, and people might even start doubting you. They might start saying, You won't ever be able to attain this. You won't ever be able to attain that. And that'll greatly affect you because, I mean, whether you like it or not, you are being affected by the people around you. So if the people around you are pushing you down, they're holding you back from achieving your dream life, you need to cut those people out first off. But second off, you shouldn't have told them in the first place. You got to keep everything to yourself until you actually achieve it. So no matter if it's your friends, parents, family, whatever it may be, just keep it to yourself until you actually do it. Because a lot of people say they want this, they want that, they want to go to these places. But the thing is, 99.9% of them never get there because they keep telling everyone their business and never get there in the first place. So keep it to yourself until you start seeing results, and then you can just not even say anything and let the actions speak for themselves. So that's pretty much it, guys. Just make sure to find out what you want, why you want it, when you want it, how you're going to go get it, where you're going to be when you attain it, the cards to give you reminders each and every single day as often as possible, and then telling no one what your dream is until you've attained it and you start living out your dream life. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video today. I'm going to go back, enjoy one more steam session, and then hop back in this nice, cool pool. And yeah, call it a night there, guys. So hopefully you guys enjoyed, got some value. I'll see you guys in the next one.